4 activities that expand your horizons and make life more fulfilling. Have you ever felt like you've been missing something that could make your life more fulfilling? Perhaps you're yearning to expand your horizons and reach for something beyond the scope of what you know today. These activities will make a marked difference in helping you find that sense of newness and fulfillment you're seeking. Read. Reading is a great way to expand your horizons and give you an appreciation of concepts and ideas which you've never really given much thought to before. You'll quickly find that you're becoming more imaginative and even more accepting of the points of view of others around you. History books give a true sense of appreciation of cultures and may help you determine why some cultures have behaviors that are so different from your own. If you're inclined to behave a certain way, such as a free-loving spirit or a goal-driven individual, try reading to learn about how you can break out of your mold and live in another realm. You'll be surprised at how liberating it can be. Engage others. Partaking in meaningful conversation with others outside of your loyal friends or your everyday co-workers is a great way to open up your mind's eye. Try visiting a new hangout spot or accept invitations from random acquaintances and see what new possibilities open up. Not much into politics? Give it a shot by engaging politics-driven individuals in conversation. You may not ever become a politician, but you can at least understand their point of view. Thinking about giving back? Why not spend some time with charity workers to understand the impact of their work? That may be the push you need to make a difference in the lives of the less fortunate. Create. As a child, was there ever anything you wanted to be able to create? A written expression, music, useful new gadget, or even a structure. Now that you're grown, and possibly in a better position to create, why not take a shot at it? Try and do something totally unrelated to your current stage or status in life. Write a book sharing your innermost fears and insecurities. You may find that it gives you the liberation you've wanted for many years. Start a self-development blog for teens, which may very well help them through issues you faced when you were their age. Appreciate. Although there are things other people accomplish that might not be in your normal scope, why not try and take the time to appreciate their worth? While the impact may initially be beyond your insight or understanding, actually spending the time looking into it for its worth may allow you to gain an appreciation you never had before. The reality is that you're really never too old to learn. There are endless lessons just waiting to have a profound impact on you, if only you'll let them. And the more you expose your mind to, the broader your horizons will become. Remember that knowledge is power, so avoid limiting your knowledge base and open your mind to new possibilities. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.